Hello students, in last video we have seen security implications for organizations. Now we will see organizational measures handling mobile devices related security issues. It means what organizations can do towards safeguarding their information systems in the mobile computing. The first is encrypting organizational database, and second is organizations have to include mobile devices in security strategy. These two measures they have to take, and they have to be careful about these two points. The first one is encrypting organizational databases. Critical and sensitive data reside on the databases, and with the advanced technology, access to these data is not possible through handheld devices. Means through handheld devices we can't access the large databases of organizations. So it is very clear that to protect organizations' data loss, such databases need encryption. Okay, we need to careful about these kind of organizations data loss, and we need to protect. So for that we need encryption of databases. There are two main algorithms that are typically used to implement strong encryption of database file. First one is Rigendel. The second one is multidimensional space rotation. Okay, that in short MDSR. For more information of these two algorithms, I have given a link in description box, so please go through that. The Rigendel was chosen as an advanced encryption system for block cipher by American National Institute of Standards and Technology. This is a one encryption algorithm, that is advanced encryption system algorithm for a block ciphers given by American National Institute of Standards and Technology. And multidimensional space rotation, MDSR, is considered as a strong encryption technique developed by Casio. Strong encryption means what? Means it is much harder to break the system or a password or any security system. We call that as a strong encryption. Database file encryption technology using either AES or MDSR makes the database file inoperable without the encryption key. When using a strong encryption, it is very important that do not store the key on mobile device. If you lose the key, your data are completely inaccessible. The key is case sensitive and must be entered correctly to access your databases. The key is required whenever you want to start the database or you want to use a utility on your database. So for greater security, there is a one option available that instruct the database server to display a dialog box, and where we can enter the encryption key. Then we can access that database. Okay. Next is including mobile devices in a security strategy. Here, encryption of corporate database is not the end of everything. There are some technologies available to properly secure mobile devices. They should be good enough for most organizations. Okay, these should be good enough to provide a security for mobile devices for most of the organizations. And corporate IT departments just need to use these kind of technologies and just do their homeworks there. For example, there are ways to make devices lock or destroy the lost data by sending the machine a special message. For sending a machine a special message. by sending this message to that machine, we can destroy or we can lock those data. Although mobile devices do pose unique challenges from a cyber security perspective, there are general steps that the users can take to address them. Okay, those are a few things that enterprises can use are: first, we need to implement a strong asset management, virus checking, loss prevention, and other controls for a mobile systems that will prohibit the unauthorized access and entry of a corrupted data. And second one is, we need to investigate alternatives that allow a secure access to a company information through a firewall such as a mobile VPN. We need to careful about these kind of informations. Next is develop a system for more frequent and through security audits for mobile devices. And we need to incorporate security awareness into your mobile training and support programs for employees who are present in organizations. And we need to notify the appropriate law enforcement agency, and we need to change the password frequently. Next we will see about laptops. Okay, nowadays these are very important product for all the IT employees or organizations. As a price of computing technology is regularly decreasing, usage of these kind of devices such as laptops is becoming more common. We can do business functions by using laptops because of their mobile access to information anytime and anywhere. But they pose large threat as they are portable. So, wireless capability in these kind of devices has also raised a cyber security issues because information being transmitted over other, which makes it hard to detect. Okay, so we need to careful about while using the laptops. Cyber criminals are targeting laptops that are expensive one to get the profit from these kind of devices in a black market. But very few attackers actually interested in the information that is contained in a laptop. Most of the cyber criminals will look for expensive laptops, not for data stored in that. Only few attackers or cyber criminals will be there. They are interested in data which is contained in that laptop. Most of the laptops contain personal and corporate information that could be sensitive. Such information can be misused if found by a malicious users. Some senior executives in a company think that or believe that the information stored on their laptops is only useful for them and not for others. So they feel that it is unnecessary to protect the information stored on these kind of laptops. But this is not true. Some cyber criminals are there. They are interested in the information that is sensitive data which is contained in a laptop. We need to take some countermeasures or remedies against theft of laptops to avoid the cyber security threats. The first countermeasure is cables and hardwired locks. This is the most cost efficient and ideal solution to safeguard only mobile devices, and these are specially designed for laptops. Kingston cables are very popular brand in laptop security, and these cables come with a variety of options such as number of locks, key locks, alarms. Okay, and these cables are made of aircraft grade steel and Kevlar brand fiber, which makes them 40% stronger than any other security cables. Okay, you can see in the image, we can call that as a cables and hardwired used in laptops. Okay, how to use with that laptop you can see in the second image. The second countermeasure is laptop safes. These safes made of polycarbonate and the same material polycarbonate which material is used in a bulletproof windows. Okay, those kind of materials will be used for these laptop safes, and these kind of materials can be used to carry and safeguard your laptops. The advantage of these safes over security cables is that they protect the whole laptop and its devices. Okay, you can see in the image, we can call those as a laptop safes. The third one is motion sensors and alarms. These devices are very efficient in securing laptops. Once these devices are activated, they can be used to track missing laptops in crowded places. Their loud sound nature help in finding the thieves. Modern alarm systems for laptops designed wherein the alarm device attached to a laptop and transmits the radio signals to a certain range around the laptop. Okay, in the image you see that we can call as a alarm system or a motion sensors. It includes the motion sensors. The owner of the laptop has a key ring device that communicates with the laptop alarm device. The alarm is triggered when distance between laptop alarm device and key ring device crosses the specific range. Okay, the owner of the laptop has to have a key ring device and that communicates every time with the laptop alarm device, and when alarm is triggered, when an alarm will be triggered, the distance between laptop alarm device and that key ring device crosses some specific range. The next countermeasure is warning labels and stamps. These cables cannot be removed easily, and these are low cost solution to laptop theft. These cables have an identification number that is stored in a universal database for a verification, which makes the resale of a stolen laptops very difficult process. Okay, because that number is stored in a universal database. The other countermeasures for protecting laptops are print the personal details on the laptop and keeping the laptop close to oneself wherever possible, means keep with you only. If you have a laptop, always keep that laptop with you only. Creating a awareness among the employees to understand the responsibility of carrying a laptop and about sensitivity of information stored in the laptop. Making a copy of purchase receipt, laptop serial number and description of a laptop. We need to install encryption software to protect the information stored on the laptop. Using the personal firewall software to block unwanted access and intrusion. We need to update the antiviruses regularly. Tight office security using security guards we need to provide, and never leave the laptop unattended in a public places. Disabling the IP ports and wireless cards when those are not in use. So far we discussed about the physical security countermeasures. Means physical security countermeasures are some products. Physically we will provide a security by using cables, wires, laptop safes, like that. Okay, now we will see information security systems, some logical access controls. Okay, we need to provide a security logically also. Okay, we can call that as a logical access control. Okay, a few logical access controls are: we need to protect from malicious program or a attacker or a social engineering, avoiding the weak passwords or open access. Logically, we need to provide a security for these all. Third one is ensuring that an unencrypted data do not pose a threats. Proper handling of a removable drivers, password protection through appropriate passwords rules, and use of strong passwords. Okay, always we need to use a strong passwords. We need to lock down unwanted ports or block those. Regularly we need to install security patches and updates given by the manufacturer. We need to install antivirus software, firewall or intrusion detection systems. And some other countermeasures are, we need to secure a operating system for our laptop. We need to register a laptop with a laptop manufacturer. And we need to disable unnecessary user accounts on a laptop. Thank you.